On how to add a chroma to video in Capcut Mobile free tutorial. Click on your.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Your video or footage, select it and highlight it, and go down and scroll to the right. So you see the option remove BG, like relight and basic. This is a free Capcut Mobile feature. Third option where it says chroma key. Pick and select the color on your video clip by dragging this up or down to remove a color, and then you can move the intensity to the right, the shadows to the right. In this case, if you want to re-click the color picker over here, I'm going to remove the color up here. You can mess around according to how you like, and once you're happy or satisfied, click the check mark. Or should I say this is the before? This is the after. Again, feel free to mess around with the settings in different video clips or footage completely for free in Capcut Mobile.